So I'll show the API demo quickly. First, of course, we need to import the API. Then we'll import the dataset as with pandas with the location of the data. We'll save them to variables so that we can use them in our get recommendation method. That's the get recommendation method. As you can see, we have a lot of documentation for this method. So if there's any question about any input, documentation can be checked. So we basically pass the applicant jobs, applicant history, applicants, and then like to save it or not, and other details about the process. This process takes about 2 minutes and 30 seconds. And now we'll run it for the applications, and we'll also save it differently too. So because we are running it for applicants, we said filter for applicants and location is for applicants. We'll also run this too. This also takes about 2 minutes 50 seconds. That took on my computer 2 minutes 50 seconds. And afterwards it will return the answer, like the output, but it will, of course, because it saves too, it's not a big deal. Now we'll also show the JSON with the JSON data. So we have 2 jobs, 2 users, and 2 histories for each job. So because we are giving JSON, as you can see, the data type is JSON. And this will run too. This took around 1 minute 10 seconds on my computer. So afterwards it's run, we will run it again, but this time for the jobs. And this takes around 1 minute 10 seconds too. So afterwards we'll show the output data. So as you can see, for applicants JSON, the user ID 1, the user ID 1 is computer science graduate, total usage of experience is 1, and his or her job was web backend developer. And user ID 2 is architecture graduate, and total years of experience is 0. Work history is 1 though, she worked as a waitress. And job ID 11 is web backend developer, and job ID 21 is a pizza deliverer. So as you can see, for the user ID 1, the pizza delivery got suggested first, and then afterwards the web backend developer, the same for the architecture graduate. And for jobs, the web backend developer got suggested this computer science student graduate, and pizza deliverer is first got suggested that too, but between the architecture and the computer science graduate, there's only 0.2 points difference. Let's check with the bigger data set now. So this is for applicants. So let's just check the first one with the user ID, this. So let's check this user ID. Health administrator degree type, and his or her history is marketing and assistant human resource manager. And the jobs that got suggested to him or her was this job. Let's see what it is. Sales representative. This may be because of the fact that she worked as a marketing person. And let's see this one, jobs, medical operating service specialist, which is a good suggestion. And let's look at another example. Let's look from the bottom. Look at this applicant. This is mindful art communication, but let's check his history, her. Basically nursing. And let's check a job that got suggested to him or her, and which is medical operating service related to his work history. So for jobs, let's look at this one, this job, which is sales representative, customer service account manager, so related to sales. And let's look at this applicant. What did this applicant do? Art science, and his work history is sales manager, store manager, general manager, so not a bad suggestion. And let's look at this. High school. high school graduate, sales, content and service, technique, sales. Okay. So this was the quick short demo, and now Sina will talk more about evaluation. Thank you.